Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace one of the console cap barrel nuts in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a T15 Torx bit and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, turn off the power to the dishwasher. Open the dishwasher door and use the T15 Torx bit to unthread the 8 side screws and the top right screw, holding the inner and outer door panels together. Unthread the top right door latch screw last. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift the outer door panel up to detach. Disconnect the user interface wire connector and detach the wire retainer to fully remove the panel. Now, using the T15 Torx bit, unthread the 3 screws to release the console cap. With the cap removed, you can now partially rethread the screw into the barrel nut you're replacing, and use the needle nose pliers to help pry the old nut out. To install the new console cap barrel nut, push it into place under the panel tab. Reposition the console cap and thread the 3 screws to secure. Reinstall the outer door panel by first connecting the user interface wire connector and securing the wire retainer. Make sure the console seal is in place. Then slide the side edges of the outer panel behind the retaining brackets. Then lift the panel up to join it with the inner door panel. Rethread the screws to secure. The top right door latch screw should be threaded first. That screw and the 2 upper side screws are longer than the 6 remaining side screws. With all the screws secured, turn the power supply back on, and the dishwasher should be ready for use.